I'm hitting that hoe with my ice on. The lights, but I look like the lights on. I ain't staying with my pipe on. He says beef, I'm like right on. And we with all of that fuck shit.
What's up, YouTube? It's 2TPTV and I'm back with another video, man. As you see by the title, we got a little mukbang here, you feel me? A little something slight, you feel me? Yeah, I don't fuck with the lettuce, but you feel me? I don't fuck with the tomatoes. But who we got here? Say your shit. Get in there.
Your boy Dre, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Your boy Ant.
You already know what's What's our YouTube? His YouTube channel will be in the link in the description. Go smack that, you feel me?
On what?
So we gonna talk about this. I got a girlfriend. I'm not gonna OD. Let me get some of that tea, you feel me? But look. How you feel about that? How you feel about me having a girl?
Yeah, I mean, I know we still lit, you feel me? It's just, you know, just not to a degree.
Yeah, you feel me? You trying to fuck with my boy, just look at him. Look at him, he's just so adorable, fam. Like, that's my realm. Chuck is going to go get something to drink, you feel me? But yeah, how's school?
School is cool, you feel me? That shit is boring as fuck, but
I swear.
that sucks.
Is that King walking?
Who?
King.
Who the fuck is King?
I'm not saying her name. You know who I'm talking about. Is that King?
No.
That's him?
That's some other people.
Chunk in that bitch. Hey, Chunk. Chunk.
What's good, bro?
What you gonna say for the camera?
What's good, bro?
So why you don't want to be in the video?
What's good, bro?
Why you don't want to be in the video?
What's good, bro?
Why don't you want to be in the video?
What's good, bro?
Chunk. This your video today, Chunk. Scoot over something, bro.
I see, bro.
Scoot over.
I'm not scooting over no more.
Scoot over. Chunk.
What's good, bro?
So what you gotta say for the camera? They feeling you right now with the Bricks $1 Million shirt. So what you gotta say? Subscribe to his channel. It will be in the link in the description. It's Young African King.
Why would he always got shit on his lip?
You like Coco?
I mean, this shit busting.
They put onion on my shit, bro.
Look at wow.
Onion should not be on a fucking burger.
Facts. Unless they fry onions.
Yeah.
I don't like these because the bread they use. Look at the bread they use for the other burgers.
The son of Baconator hits.
Yes, shit.
The what?
The Baconator and son of Baconator hit.
That's okay.
Only thing I get at Wendy's is 4 for $4. That shit buzz. They got the biggie bag.
Dude has to take it out like this.
I will get on his ass.
Show him your mouth.
Hold on.
That nigga just spit everywhere.
You feel me? Well, yeah. How's school going, Chunk?
Yeah, bro.
You got a girlfriend? Huh?
No comments.
Something like that.
What's her name?
No comment.
Huh?
I don't have a girlfriend.
Just know if you had Trevor, and hold on, you put my hand up. If you ask Trevor
Bro, relax.
and you see him around
Bro,
with that special someone, just know.
oh, relax.
A K or
A K or a P. Put it together.
Relax.
KP.
What?
KP, put it together. KP.
No.
Chris Paul.
Oh, okay.
Chris Paul.
Get a nigga. Stupid.
No,
Like, that was really.
You went for it.
bro, you stupid fuck.
Nigga, Chris Paul is with a K.
Alright, bro. Relax.
I'm happy with my baby girl. The topic is when.
Oh my god. Hey, shout out to heaven, bro.
Wow, bro.
Let's throw some of his ride.
Hey, you hear that? You see that fat nigga over there? He looking, man. His fat ass.
What you talking about?
The fat nigga right there. He'll get you out of there, E.
Boy.
Who your girlfriend? Who your girlfriend?
I don't know. I got. Just chilling.
Let him
I
know.
can have a girlfriend.
Let him know.
Don't get twisted. You know what I'm about.
Let him know, bro. So, how your weekends be, bro?
Hey, lit.
What you be doing? Like, let him know.
These bitches out there trying to use me for rides.
That's a no-no right there.
What's a nigga having it like that?
Lil bro low-key is bad. Don over there getting to a bucket. I already know. At the school?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he at 21. Good November.
God bless. Like, comment, and subscribe so I can eat tomorrow. I spent, I didn't even have enough money. He bought it for me. Like, comment, subscribe so I can eat tomorrow. Like, every time I take, look, listen, guys. Every time I take a bite, I think about my family because we don't have nothing to eat. So, if you don't mind, like, comment, and subscribe and watch this video so I can eat tomorrow. Thank you. The second question, what's your body count? Get it spicy in here, fam. What's your body count, bro?
Wait.
I'm a virgin.
No, wait. Wait, what's yours first? You go first.
I'm only got one.
You only got one?
Yeah.
You sure?
No girls. I have a girlfriend.
No, I'm talking about before her.
Before her?
Yeah, you was
Yeah,
in
yeah, Milwaukee. I ain't never.
Nah, you ain't hit somebody here.
I ain't never hit a girl here.
So,
What do we?
Erickson, you said you a virgin?
he got converted.
So who's Veronica?
I'm done, bro. Cut that shit off, fam. Cut that shit off. You just do this shit to expose niggas, bro. Cut that shit off. Tell that nigga cut that shit off.
You nigga said, who's Veronica?
I'm just asking. Why you getting defensive? Is it true? Do you know who that is? Alright, guys, I ain't get to do the outro.
Nigga, what's your number?
But, hey, what y'all gotta say, bro? The video over with, bro. We lit forever, bro. We got nothing eating, bro. Hey, do me a favor, though. Do me a favor.
What's up?
Can you say 2TP? I'm gonna say 2TP and y'all say out.
Gang. Face ass.
Come on, fam. Don't do that. 2TP.
Gang.
Yes, sir.